There's a lot of great articles and resources online for filmmakers. The problem is that for those just getting started, it's hard to figure out how all those fit together in the overall filmmaking workflow. So that gave us an idea. What if there was an online course where you could learn how all those pieces fit together? Introducing the Filmmaking Basics course. In Lesson 1 will be covering the foundational stuff of what every filmmaker must have, and doesn't necessarily have to even be learned on a film set. Lesson 2 will be stories from people who have been successful and the best methods of getting started. Lesson 3 will be practically getting the rubber on the road, so helping you with your first real project. Lesson 4 will be about learning from your mistakes and critiquing your work and getting good advice. And Lesson 5 will cover how to continue learning, so whether it be short films, promotional media, networking with others, that sort of thing. Lesson 6 will be setting up a business and making it official. And then finally, Lesson 7 will cover getting clients and getting paid. So we're really excited about this new course. I hope you can join us. Each lesson will be completely free online on the blog while we're developing it. So you can sign up for the updates and make sure you don't miss any of those, and I hope to see you around.